Hello. Hi, good afternoon everybody. My name is Vincent Chua. I'm the co-founder of Lumani. At Lumani, we believe that a smart system need not any kind of control. That's why our tagline is the best control is no control. And our product is autonomous ambient management with AI. Let's look at the problem we face today, and this is something we experience every day. Every time I see this scenario, I feel that there are energy to be saved. And it's not just about energy, it's also about human comfort. Imagine somebody sitting here, he will be either freezing cold, or if the aircon set point is set wrongly, he will be very hot. So what we built is a total ambient control for indoor made easy. We provide commercial property owners up to 30% in saving. We have data for analytics. We increase productivity of the facility management because we do not require you to do anything such as turning on or off the lights or aircon, doing analytics just to save energy, or even worrying about exceeding your energy quota. On top of that, I noticed that there are a lot of emphasis on optimization. How about human comfort? Human comfort is very important. If you go to a workplace, you do not have human comfort, how to have high productivity? We provide lighting solutions that are human-centric. We provide aircon, set point, and humidity that is meant for the productivity of the workers working inside. How do we do it? We have a very simple idea. We do not use occupancy, we use activity. What we do is we digitize the sensor such that it calculates activities. And we have a pattern for this, what we call the automatic switch mode, where at any one time, all the zone in your properties will be optimized and while ensuring the user comfort. So you do not just save when there's user or turn off when there's no user. What happens is that we save you energy round the clock at any time possible. So over a period of time, typically you get up to 30% savings. We are currently in the phase of scaling up. We have a collaboration with lighting manufacturers. These lighting manufacturers are using our solution to enable them to have smart lightings. We have channel partners from Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, and also Japan. In terms of technology partners, we are a cloud solution. So our cloud is using Microsoft Azure, and we are part of the Microsoft Cloud Service Provider. And recently we also got involved with Huawei. In terms of our client, our key applications are in schools, in offices, and convenience stores. Today we have installation at 7-Elevens, we have installations at offices, and our most recent one is with Keppel Bay Tower, where they are working with BCA to incorporate the first super low energy building in Singapore. For your information, super low energy building is one notch above Green Mark Platinum. And we are targeting to grow in Asia. Currently, as you can see, we already got Southeast Asia, so we are looking for partners beyond just Southeast Asia. We have 3 possible business models. One is bundled sales of hardware, our platform. We also provide Luma Cloud for data services. We also do customization as our platform is highly scalable. We don't just do aircon and light. We can do door access. We can do many things that you want to add on to the platform. Our adaptation drivers of our target users are people who are passionate about green and smart building, people who want a healthy workplace for their staff, and people who want efficiency and comfort in their work environment. Our team is comprises of people from the technology industry. We are funded by Expara. Our founders has been in the startups industry for more than 20 years. We have success in other startups in the semiconductors. He is the one who owned the patent for our smart control. And we have an advisor based in Silicon Valley. He has advised us a lot of M&A, including the recent Broadcom bought over NetLogic where he works. Thank you. Just to emphasize again, LumaZones mean autonomous ambient management system with AI. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I'd like to turn our attention to the judges for any questions.
You mentioned about the low energy, the super low energy building. What's the extent of your implementation there?
At this project, there are 5 technologies selected. So our smart lighting is being selected. So we are doing 7 floors at Keppel Bay Tower.
So what is the technology that is an improvement upon regular building automation systems or regular motion detectors? How is it different? Because sometimes if you're sitting at your desk, the lights will go off because you're not moving, for example, and that's annoying.
Our philosophy is activity. As long as there's activity, there's light. So our AI is programmed such that we track even site activity and we program it to a range of 45 minutes. And I always tell my client, you spend money to buy table that move up and down, just to remind you to stretch. In our system, we program it at 45 minutes, so that if you have inactivity of 45 minutes, it's time to stretch.
What about, the other question, compared to a regular building automation system, what sort of technology is different? Because there are automation systems that can actually do similar things. How is yours different?
They do not do it at the zone base to our extent, and a lot of them uses the sensor as a switch. We do not use the sensor as a switch. Our pattern is digitizing the sensor. We use it to count activities.
So you use an example of an office space in your presentation. So a typical office, right, with open space, with fluorescent lighting, what kind of energy reduction can you expect when we use your solution?
If you're talking about fluorescent lighting, that's not something that we really want to compare, because from fluorescent lighting to LED, you typically say 40 to 50. We are comparing against the best in class, say LED lighting or other smart lighting. So typically, we will give additional 10 to 30% from the LED, because we are activity based. And we actually track the activity level. It's actually a compromise between user comfort and energy saving. If you want to have more energy saving, then you may not need to have so high lux. So we are able to do that. In fact, our vision is to be part of the smart grid, where we can also do demand control.
So you have already done this. It's actually very scalable. You don't really need anything from us.
Oh, we need to scale faster. As a Singapore company, it took me a year to get into this project. I don't have many 1 year. I need probably 10 projects in a month or a week. That is what we want.
I mean,
then that's scalability.
I mean, the solution is always scalable. Yeah.
Yes. It's highly scalable.
Yeah. So what else do you need?
Oh, I'm here to look for partners who are passionate about giving their energy the green, the smart, the efficiency, the human comfort.
Last question, your zone, when you talk about zones, seem to work by zones, right? Because you are just increasing the resolution instead of... How big is so-called one zone typically, or is it flexible?
Typically, one zone is about 6 to 8 fixtures, which is about 25 square meters.
Just one last question. How many sensors do you actually need before your solution works? How many sensors and types of sensors do you actually? How many types of sensors do you actually need?
We use one type of sensor, just occupancy sensor. Can I speak? We felt that we want to make things simple. You can have a lot of sensors just to count the activity in this room, but with our digitization of the motion sensor, you can get a lot of information. When activity is high, naturally we will give out more carbon dioxide. By the time the carbon dioxide sensor sense that this room, the carbon dioxide is very high, it's already too late. We give real time.
One last quick question. What is the payback time on the investment?
The payback time is actually how long you use it. For 24/7, it's typically below 2 years. So for typical 8 hours, it's between 3 to 5 years. Thank you.
Thank you very much.